Okay guys, today we're going to be replacing the grill with an aftermarket grill. So you're going to need to take all of the plastic pins out, which I have already done. And then you're going to need an 8mm and a 10mm. So I'll get right in this. It's good, we already got one missing. Okay guys, I did get the bumper off shortly after that, but it got too dark, so I had to stop the video. So I did run into everybody's worst nightmare. Not one, but 4 of my bolts are stripped, or screws. So before I go and buy a drill for 40 bucks, I'm gonna try a rubber band and see if that works. Okay guys, like I said, I have 4 screws that are all stripped. Got it! This has been absolutely awful to just take the bumper off and take the grill out. I ran into screws that were stripped. And then once I ran into screws that were stripped, a couple of the heads of the screws actually came off. So at one point, I had to take the grill and just rip it off. Rip that off. I still have it if I ever want to put it back on. If I ever want to put it back on or anything, but everybody knows I don't want to put it back on. So guys, Ruby's new look. Like it? Oh, also, since my last video, I did get a Ruthless Ruby sticker. I know it's not completely centered, but the haters, they can hate. I'm just gonna do me.